Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today we have it. It's as official as it can be, as official as a whistle, as Wheezy would say. We have the official extended parking lot sale. It's official. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and/or subscribing and/or hyping. And let's go ahead and jump in. We'll just do a brief overview of not everything, but mostly everything. If you missed out on the parking lot sale over the last week, this is in the super coupon form. I did go over the new instant savings to see if there was any overlap, like the Quinn 3/8 socket impact socket set, but I didn't see anything. But let's go ahead and go over it. For those of you who might still want to go get something, maybe you want to look for the discounted items in store. Not that it will work officially, but a lot of the times the HARBROs will be able to get an extra 35, 20, 30% on returned items. And there should be returned items. So anyways, check that corner of your store out. But here we are, extended parking lot sale. Starting, I don't know if this is going to take place of the weekend deal. Again, I have the memory of a goldfish. They did this last parking lot sale and I couldn't remember. They didn't extend it in the early part of the week. They extended it for the weekend deal. If I recall correctly, it took place of the weekend deal, which I'm not sure if I'm a fan of or not, but we'll see soon if there's a weekend deal coming up. Anyways, this is the 13th through the 15th. So starting Friday, we'll just read the fine print. Valid in store while supplies last. Valid 3/13 through 3/15. Coupon must be presented at the time of use. 35% off all Icon and Quinn sockets purchased. Cannot be combined with other offers or prior purchases. Excludes Inside Track Club memberships, extended service plans, open box items, and gift cards. And that's probably the one right there. The open box items. It shouldn't qualify, but I know I've seen plenty of tales of it working for the HARBROs. So doesn't hurt to try. And then of course, so that's 35% off all Icon and Quinn sockets. Huge. 20% off all Atlas, Bauer, and Portland outdoor power tools. Decent. We know we get plenty of 20% off any single item, but this eliminates any use of any single item. You can buy them all at once. 30% off all jack stands. We've gone over these. Great for the bigger tonnage ones. We have videos, of course. 30% off all bottle jacks, and then 25% off all US General carts. Although, just a reminder, ITC has some of the carts at deeper discounts. Here we have $50 off the US General one drawer service cart, and then 28% off the 3-shelf steel service cart. So better deals than this 25% off. Then of course we have a Bauer starter kit, $99.99. Get a free tool, you get the battery, you get the charger. Choose from 7 tools. If you don't have any, probably the solid first one to start with. You always want a solid drill. You'll probably use this more than any of the other ones if you don't have any of these tools and you needed to choose one. I would go with the drill. It's going to be your most versatile tool, your most probably useful tool that you can get. $100, get a tool, battery, and a charger. And then we're just going to go through through most of them, of the super coupons. To remind everybody of what was available. And you'll have a chance again this weekend, starting with Warrior. 3/16 to 1 3/8 inch number 4 titanium step drill bit, 12 steps and 11 steps, $898. 52% off is nuts. Apache. 2800 weatherproof protective case, medium at $18, 40% off, available in 3 colors. Great deal on the Apache. That's as good, pretty close to as good as these deals get on Apache. Braun 800 lumen tactical LED flashlight, $7, 50% off. These are both fire deals. We have Luminar outdoor 24-foot LED outdoor string lights, $19, 32% off. The 11-foot, 4-inch, 19-foot, 6-inch heavy-duty reflective all-purpose weather-resistant 9mm tarp for the tarp bros. There's a lot more tarp bros out there than I expected. $15, 40% off. There we go. Hardy 7mm powder-free nitrile gloves, 50-pack, $698. 50% off is a great deal. More Hardy. This is just an orange 7mm, $698, 50% off. Badlands EXR 12,000 pound truck SUV winch with wire rope, $70 off, $280, normally $350. And this gets the preemptive fire. Braun 500 lumen LED rechargeable magnetic handheld foldable slim bar light, $15, 50% off. HARBRO approved for sure. The 1.5 ton low profile aluminum racing floor jack, with rapid pump for 85 bucks, $25 off, normally 110. Vikings 1000 peak amp lithium ion jump starter and power bank, $69.99 is nice. So it gets an automatic fire, 22% off, but these do go as high as 40, even 40 to 50% off. I'd be 40% off during their sales. The titanium 36-inch by 24-inch modular welding table with a welding fit up kit for $140, $50 off. Again, this is close to the lowest price that we've seen this welding table and kit. $50 off is huge. Ames 12-to-1 infrared laser thermometer at 15 bucks, 34% off. Franklin's 18-inch by 12-inch 1,000-pound capacity hardwood dolly at 776, 40% off. The 50 caliber ammo can at 12 bucks, 40% off. The Warrior 1500 watt 11 amp dual temperature heat gun at 996, 50% off is nuts. So this one's gonna get, for multiple reasons, multiple flames. If you're the HARBRO who commented, you know, Merlin premium air compressor accessory kit, 20 piece, 15 bucks, 34% off. Franklin's 40-inch by 72-inch moving blanket, 376, 37% off. 7-function digital multimeter at 429, 46% off. US General PEG type socket tray, 3-piece, 17 bucks, 32% off. A lot of different odds. If any of the HARBROs pick this one up, I feel like this is a great deal at 32% off, especially with the socket sale obviously going on. Did anybody pick this socket tray organizer specifically? Or is there a reason you're staying away from this? But they have different colors, blue and SAE and metric, green and SAE and metric, and then red SAE only, and then black metric only if you want to split them by just those two colors. Storehouse 11-inch cable ties 100 pack, $1.84, 50% off. The Greenwood 2-gallon home and garden sprayer at $9.98, 37% off. Warrior titanium drill bit set, 29 piece at 12 bucks, 40% off, normally 20 bucks. Hercules Alert 15 amp hex breaker hammer, $549, 100 bucks off. A couple more Hercules, a few more Hercules. The 3 amp 5-inch random orbit palm sander with soft start at $45, 18% off. That's not terrible, not great. 3.6 rockin'. There we go. Hercules 9 amp variable speed surface conditioning tool at 100 bucks, $40 off. It's a solid deal for Hercules. Of course, the Hercules 20 volt 5 amp hour lithium ion battery and 4 amp charger starter kit at 80 bucks. Wish they would include a free tool. It's $40 off, still a great deal. Battery and charger. We have the Hercules 550-pound universal aluminum mobile folding miter saw stand at 140 bucks, $30 off. Bauer 3 amp variable speed oscillating multi-tool, 35 bucks, 22% off. Bauer's 50-foot self-leveling 360-degree laser level at 80 bucks, $20 off. Good discount. 6-inch bench grinder with LED lights at 40 bucks, normally 50 bucks, 20% off. Admiral's 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw, 200 bucks, $40 off. Bauer's 5 amp 9-inch variable speed drywall sander at 110 bucks, $50 off. A few more Bauer, the 5.7 amp 6-inch short throw random orbit polisher sander at 40 bucks, 38% off. Really good discount. Bauer 3-gallon 3-peak horsepower wet dry vacuum at 30 bucks, normally 40 bucks, 25% off. Bauer's 23-foot automatic feed handheld electric drain cleaner at 25 bucks off. Bauer, the 8-volt cordless variable speed rotary toolkit 40 piece at 35 bucks, only 50 bucks, 30% off. Again, super solid deal there. Bauer 7 amp 4.5-inch slide switch angle grinder, 23 bucks, normally 30 bucks, 23% off. Pittsburgh's ratcheting combination wrench set 7-piece, 22 bucks, 26% off. The 6-foot by 9-foot canvas drop cloth at $6.96, 36% off. Pittsburgh 72-inch box frame level at $15, 25% off. Pittsburgh's 25-foot by 1-inch quick find tape measure with ABS casing, $248, 50% off. Pittsburgh's 12-volt portable tire inflator with LED light, $998, 41% off. Braun 900 lumen rechargeable swivel head LED flashlight at 20 bucks, 20% off. Hallmaster 500-pound capacity 1-inch by 15-foot ratcheting tie downs 4-pack, $998, 37% off. 3-foot by 5-foot American flag with embroidered stars, $492, 50% off. Not available in Minnesota. Grant's shop towels 14-inch by 13-inch 50-pack. Choice of white or red. HARBROs, do you actually go with the red anymore? I feel like mostly everybody goes with the white to avoid the red rags of death. 47% off, those pretty solid. Voyager 15-inch tool bag with 14 pockets at $498. Normally 10 bucks, 50% off is great. We go into our Daytona, the 3-ton low profile professional floor jack with rapid pump, $70 off. Normally $200. It's 35% off. That is a fire deal. And then we have the Daytona 4-ton professional floor jack with rapid pump at $169.99. $100 off. So we're getting a couple of great discount. And then the Daytona 3-ton low profile Super Duty floor jack with rapid pump, $250, $40 off. Is not bad, not terrible. It's 3.6 Rotkin. Not terrible, not great. It's the equivalent of a chest x-ray. Then we have the 3-ton floor jack with rapid pump, $90. It's tough to beat that. If you want just a solid floor jack that's going to get the job done, this is the one. This is the one, $60 off. I'd be remiss if I didn't put a couple of fires here for that. That's a great deal. Icon multi-spline screw extractor set, 25-piece at $50, 28% off. Good deal for this. And then the Yukon 46-inch nine-drawer mobile storage cabinet with solid wood top, $300, $60 off. Of course, the US General 42-inch by 22-inch roll cab, $600. It's down $70, down to $530. Not bad, not terrible. It's a chest x-ray. The Super Coupon US General 72-inch by 22-inch triple bank roll cab, $300 off. Normally $1,800, down to $1,500. Available in purple. And then the Quinn 3/8-inch drive 5 to 100 foot-pound digital angle torque wrench, $40 off. Solid deal. And then the Quinn 1/2-inch drive 50 to 250 foot-pound click torque wrench at $60, 25% off. Normally $80. And those are most of, not all, most of the parking lot sale now in super coupon form. HARBROs, you know you've seen these. Anybody who hadn't seen these, leave a comment if you're new here. We'd love to hear you. I try to respond to most of the comments. Definitely read them all. But especially if you're new, definitely consider saying, hey, you find this useful. But either way, I'll leave it at that. Extended parking lot sale is official. Let me know if what you're going to pick up if you missed something or if you missed the sale entirely. So either way, happy harbor freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.